Dear students, today we will discuss about Crout's method or Cholesky's method. Suppose this is the given system of linear algebraic equations a11x1 plus a12x2 plus a13x3 is equal to b1, a21x1 plus a22x2 plus a23x3 is equal to b2, a31x1 plus a32x2 plus a33x3 is equal to b3. First we write down this system of equation in matrix form, that is of the form ax equal to b. Here A be a coefficient matrix, a11, a12, a13, a21, a22, a23, a31, a32, a33. X means matrix of unknowns. Here we have three unknowns, x1, x2 and x3. And B means matrix of b1, b2 and b3. This Crout method is based on the fact that every square matrix can be expressed as the product of a lower triangular matrix and an upper triangular matrix, provided all the principal minors of this coefficient matrix are non-singular. That is, all the principal minor means here this must be not equal to 0, a11, a12, a21, a22 not equal to 0, and a11, a12, a13, a21, a22, a23, a31, a32, a33 not equal to 0. Here we can solve any question by Crout's method if here all the principal minors of A, all the principal minors of this coefficient matrix are non-singular, that is determinant value is not equal to 0, means determinant of a11 must not be equal to 0, determinant of a11, a12, a21, a22 must not be equal to 0, and determinant of a11, a12, a13, a21, a22, a23, a31, a32, a33 must not be equal to 0. Here this method is based on that fact that every coefficient matrix can be expressed as a product of two matrices, that is lower triangular matrix and upper triangular matrix. Okay, that is A is equal to LU. Here L is a unit lower triangular matrix and U be an upper triangular matrix. Definition of this L is equal to, Here we define this L in such a way. Here 1 0 0, L21 1 0, L31 L32 1. This is definition of L. Next we define upper triangular matrix. U is equal to U11 U12 U13 0 U22 U23 0 0 and U33. Okay, we can divide all the square matrix in the form of L into U, where L is a unit lower triangular matrix and U be an upper triangular matrix. Now we have system of equation. AX is equal to B here we can define any coefficient matrix A in this form, A equal to LU. We are replacing this A by LU, that is LU X equal to B. Now assuming this term Ux is equal to Y, that is meaning of this Y is a matrix, column matrix. It is having three unknowns y1, y2 and y3. That is, now from previous equation, when we put Ux equal to Y here, we get here Ly is equal to B. We get what we get here, Ly is equal to B. Okay. Suppose this is our equation number, this is equation number 4, and suppose this is 5. Okay. Now first we solve this system of equation Ly equal to B, which is having three defined unknowns y1, y2 and y3. That is L means 1 0 0, L21 1 0, L31 L32 1, Y, and this is equal to B. B means B1 B2 and B3. Now writing this system of equation, this is in equation form, we get here meaning of this y is y1, y2, y3. We can replace this y, here we can replace this by y1, y2 and y3. This is y2, that is y1 is equal to b1, L21 y1 plus y2 equal to b2, and L31 y1 plus L32 y2 plus y3 is equal to b3. Now by the forward substitution means we put this value of y1 in next equation, forward equation, we can find out y2, and when we put values of y1 and y2 from here in third equation, we can find out y3. Okay, now then this stage we have three known values, that is, now in this stage these are three known values. Y1 we get something here, y2 we get something here, and y3 we get something here. Now this Y matrix is converted in as a known matrix. Okay, next we choose system of equation. Next we have equation number 4, that is ux is equal to y. Okay, ux is equal to y. That is, u being upper triangular matrix means this matrix, x means matrix of original unknowns x1, x2, x3, and y means we get values of y1, y2, y3 from here. That is u11, u12, u13, 0, u22, u23, 0, 0, and u33 into x means our original unknowns x1, x2 and x3 is equal to y1, y2 and y3. Okay, here it is very much clear. First we divide this coefficient matrix A in the form of L and U. Okay, here definition of this L equal to this, and definition of U is this, and we can find out the values of all these terms, means L21, L31, L32, U11, U12, U13, U22, U23, U33 with the help of this relation. I will tell you how we will find out how we can convert these two matrices. Initially it is looking here unknown matrix, but we can, all these terms will be known. After next step we can find out all these values. Now we write down this in equations form, that is u11 x1 plus u12 x2 plus u13 x3 is equal to y1, u22 x2 plus u23 x3 is equal to y2, and u33 x3 is equal to y3. Okay, now by the base substitution we can easily find out the values of x1, x2 and x3. What is the value of x3 here? Here x3 will be this y3 upon u33. Similarly, we can find out other values by the previous equation. When we put value of x3 in this previous equation, we can find out value of x2, and when we put values of x2 and x3 in this equation, first equation, we can find out x1. Okay, this is our final solution. This is our final solution. Now, initially we assume a equal to lu. Okay. Now we choose this relation, a is equal to lu. Here a be a coefficient matrix, that is a11, a12, a13, a21, a22, a23, a31, a32, a33 equal to L. L means 1, 0, 0, L21, 1, 0, L31, L32, 1. U11, U12, U13, 0, U23, so this is U22, U23, 0, 0 and U33. Now we initially these two matrices are unknown matrices. Now we have to convert to known matrices. We have to find out all these values L21, L31. Before proceeding this step, first we have to convert these two matrices in known form. That is, we have to find out values of L21, L31, L32 and U11, U12, U13, U22, U23 and U3. Then we proceed this step. Okay. So first now we are seeing here how we can find out this value. Now here we have this equal to this relation, that is, now we have to multiply these 3 by 3 matrices. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33 is equal to now we multiply this. First term is, when we multiply this row to this column, we get here U11. Here we get U12 and here U13. Now we multiply second row by first column. Here we get L21 U11. Here we get L21 U11 plus 1 into this U22, and here we have L21 U13 plus U23. Next we multiply third row by first column, that is L31 U11. Here we get L31 U12 plus L32 U22, and last element we have L31 U13 plus L32 U23 plus U33. Okay, now both are matrix of 3 by 3. Okay, now we equating the coefficients. Now we can equate here we can find out easily the values of all these values of U11, U12, U13. Now we compare these two matrices. Here value of U11 is equal to A11, value of U12 is equal to this value, means A12, and value of U13 is equal to A13. Next we equate these two, means L21 U11 is equal to A21. Okay, that is, here U11 is known term. Here we have known values, means L21 will be A21 upon U11. Okay, next we equate this equal to, here we have L31 U11 is equal to A31, that is, here U11 is a known term, means we can find out value of L31 equal to A31 upon U11. Okay, similarly we can find out all other values. L31, what is the value of L31? L31 equal to and U11 is A11, so we can replace this by A11. Similarly, we can find out by comparing all these terms, we can easily find out all these values, that is u11 equal to a11, u12 equal to a12, u13 equal to a13, and u22 is equal to 1 upon a11, a11, a22 minus a21, a12, u23 is equal to 1 upon a11, a11, a23 minus a21, a13, in similar fashion we can find out value of u33, L21 we can find out all remaining values, that is L21. By just comparing these two matrices we will get some equations, and we have to solve all these equations by using values given from other equations. We can find out all these values, that is L21, L31 and L32. Now in this stage, first we have to, before solving this system of equation, first we have to find out all these values, L21, L31, all these values. Means now this matrix must be in the form of no known matrices. Okay, so first we convert these two matrices with the help of this coefficient matrix. First we convert it in the known form, then we proceed further. Okay, and this is the final solution. This whole procedure is called Crout's method or Cholesky's method. I think all you have understand this problem. If you have any kind of queries regarding Crout's method, then you can mail me. This is my email ID. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day, and Bharat Mata ki Jai.